Hey, Lila. Can you see the doggy? Where's Coda?
Coda and Lila.
You see Coda? Yeah. You pet the doggy?
Yeah. Coda.
You petting the doggy?
Yeah.
Yeah. You pet the doggy nice?
Coda.
Yeah. Coda likes it when you pet her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Coda. It's okay, Coda.
Is Coda scared of you, Lila?
Maybe a little bit. Coda. Lila, I hope you don't get rolled over. I hope that dog doesn't decide to just roll over on you. Like she's going to do in a minute.
Coda, don't eat Lila.
Don't eat Coda.
Delilah,
Lila, don't eat Coda.
Or Coda, you don't eat Lila either. That's not good either. Is that funny, Lila?
Lila was trying to eat Coda.
You don't eat Coda, Lila.
What do you think, Lila? Huh?
No biting Coda. Lila, how'd you end up under the couch?
Are you trying to get under the couch now?
How do you do this, Lila? Why do you go under the couch?
Here. Stay, Coach, stay.
Now you're stuck. What are you going to do? You're stuck.
Lay down. No.
No, don't lay on
Oh,
Lila. Coda, Lila, you're stuck. You're stuck under the couch, Lila. What are you gonna do? Is that funny?
Yeah.
Is Coda a funny dog?
Why are you going on behind me? Huh? Lila, come here.
She keeps going further under the couch.
You're going backwards. You don't want to go.
Lila, you have to learn how to crawl forwards now.
I think she just realized she's stuck.
She's stuck. Okay, well, we're gonna get Lila unstuck from the couch. That's Lila petting Coda.